so we're sliding around all-wheel drive. Come on. ABS a lot. I'm trying to figure out like if the wet line's better or not.
Oh fuck yeah,
dude, that's fun. Holy shit.
Oh, that was awesome. That was awesome.
Dude, so many times I would like look like okay, here we go.
Like, flooring it like I bet that was really entertaining for the flag station.
Dude, on where you went off and I started sliding, it's like
full, like were you close to full lock?
I was full lock, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh shit.
Yeah, okay, wet line's the place to be. Got onto the wet line from dude, that corner over there, holy shit. Man, okay.
That was
like it's so obvious now where the wet line is.
yeah.
Like that time
you could see it now.
Yeah.
Holy shit. I didn't record that one either, but
I recorded.
Oh,
It's all good.
track. This is scariest. I never sandy track. Like, I'm good. You're just like little.
Oh, I'm sorry, man.